First things first. Before you can get started on YouTube, you're going to need a Google account. Now, you can either create a new, dedicated account specifically for your YouTube business channel or use an existing personal account. Creating a new login is often ideal as you don't have to worry about security issues tied to your personal Gmail. This is also a good idea if you'll be sharing the account with others. Ultimately, the choice is up to you. Once you've created your Google account, make your way over to YouTube's homepage. To begin customizing your channel, click on the avatar icon on the top right corner of the screen. Click on My Channel from the drop-down options. Before anyone actually views your video content, make sure that you've crafted imagery for your channel that clicks with your brand. Just as you have a dedicated icon and banner for the likes of Facebook or Twitter, YouTube is no different. The dimensions for YouTube images are as follows: channel icon, recommended as 800 x 800 pixels, displays as 98 x 98 pixels. Channel banner, 2560 x 1440 pixels, safe area for mobile and web, without text and logo cropping, is 1546 by 423 pixels. Since these dimensions are relatively large, you need to use high-res images rather than pictures that could get cut off or distorted. This is where resources such as Canva are invaluable, as you can craft such images in a matter of minutes thanks to their ready-to-go templates tailor-made for YouTube channels. Now that your profile is ready for action, you can upload your first video and start publishing.
Easy to overlook, the About section of your profile is a crucial piece of figuring out how to create a YouTube channel that actually results in long-term leads and followers. Not only is this a place to make a personal impression of your viewers, but also funnel them to your social profiles or homepage. Your About section allows you to explain what your business does as a glance and funnel traffic to your social links and homepage. Channel descriptions don't have to be rocket science, though. A brief mission statement or welcome message is all that's really necessary. If you want to include a few links or a call to action, go for it. Oh, and don't forget to add a business email as an extra point of contact. Just like any other social network, YouTube represents a community. Signaling yourself as an active participant in the community means following other channels, liking other videos, and letting your viewers know that you're involved in your industry. Highlighting featured channels and liked videos is a subtle way to show your fellow YouTube creators some love. Likewise, it's a smart strategy to make your YouTube business channel appear more active if you don't plan on uploading frequently. Which channels should you feature and like, though? While there are no hard and fast rules about who to engage with, stick to these pointers. Highlight industry leaders and influencers, hint, but not competitors, like the content of companies or creators that you admire or find entertaining yet relevant. Avoid any content that could be perceived as controversial or otherwise unrelated to your business. On that last point, try to keep things strictly professional in terms of activity on your YouTube business. If you want to like the latest Taylor Swift video or leave a comment on a political video, do so on your personal channel. In your channel settings, make sure to have your subscriptions and liked videos set to public so viewers can see them.